Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss important 30 multiple choice questions in operating system about memory management. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Let's see the first question. Which bit indicates if page has been modified? A. Reference bit. B. Valid bit. C. Frame bit. D. Dirty bit. The bits that indicate if the page has been modified is D. Dirty bit. 2. Which memory is not directly accessible by the CPU? Secondary memory, cache memory, main memory, registers. The memory which is not directly accessed by the CPU is A. Secondary memory. 3. Which technique divides memory into fixed size blocks? Paging, segmentation, swapping, compaction. The technique that divides memory into fixed size block is segmentation. 4. Which type of fragmentation occurs with fixed size partition? External fragmentation, internal fragmentation, logical fragmentation, physical fragmentation. Internal fragmentation. 5. What is page frame? Page frame is fixed size block of physical memory, which is page frame. 6. What is compaction used for? A. Increase CPU speed. B. Reduce external fragmentation. C. Increase RAM size. D. Managing file. D. Manage file. Used for compaction. 7. Which algorithm allocates the smallest available memory blocks? First fit, worst fit, best fit, next fit. The algorithm that allocates the smallest available memory block is best fit. Swapping moves process between cache and the CPU, the RAM and the disk, the CPU and the disk, register and cache. Swapping move process is occurred between the RAM and the disk. 9. Which allocation method is fastest? Best fit, worst fit, first fit, budget system. First fit is the fastest method of allocation. 10. Which memory management scheme supports logical view of memory? Paging, segmentation, swapping, partition. Segmentation memory management scheme that supports logical view of memory. 11. Which table stores page to frame mapping? File table, process table, page table, segmentation table. Page table stores page to frame mapping. So, paging eliminates which problem? A. Internal fragmentation. B. External fragmentation. C. Deadlock. D. Trashing. Paging eliminates the external fragmentation. 30. Which is not function of memory management? A. Allocation. B. Protection. C. Address translation. D. Virus detection. Virus detection, which is not a direct function of memory management. 14. Logical address is generated by A. Memory unit. B. CPU. C. Disk. D. Input-output device. Logical address is generated by CPU. The physical address is generated by CPU, disk controller, memory management unit, cache. The physical address is generated by the memory management unit. Which allocation technique uses linked list of free block? Paging, segmentation, contiguous allocation, dynamic partitioning. The dynamic partitioning uses linked list of free blocks. Question number 17. Which memory is fastest? Cache, RAM, disk, virtual memory. E. Cache is the fastest memory. 8. Which problem occurs when memory is overused? Thrashing, deadlock, starvation, aging. The problem occurs when the memory is overused is thrashing. 19. Which memory management technique uses base and limit register? Paging, segmentation, contiguous allocation, virtual memory. The correct answer is segmentation. 20. Virtual memory is A. Extension of main memory, B. cache memory, C. secondary storage only, D. ROM. Virtual memory is extension of main memory. A is the correct answer. 21. Which storage is used to implement virtual memory? A. Cache, B. RAM, C. hard disk, D. register. Hard disk, that's primarily direct used to implement virtual memory. 22. Page fault occurs when page is corrupted, B. Page is not in main memory, C. disk fails, D. CPU fails. Page fault occurs when the page is not in main memory. 23. Page replacement is needed when page table is full, B. disk is full, C. RAM is full, D. cache is full. The correct answer is C. The page replacement is needed when the RAM is full. 24. Which page replacement algorithm replaces the oldest page? The first in, first out algorithm that replaces the oldest page. 25. Brady's anomaly refers to increase in page fault with more frame, B. decrease in CPU speed, C. memory leak, D. disk failures. The correct answer is A. increase in page fault with more frame. 26. Which memory is lost? Cache, RAM, virtual memory, register. Virtual memory is from the list the slowest one. 27. Page replacement occurs during compilation, during execution, during booting, during shutdown. Page replacement occurs during execution. B is the correct answer. 28. Virtual memory improves A. program size limitation, B. CPU overheating, C. power failure, D. virus protection. The correct answer is program size limitation. 29. Virtual memory reduces page fault, CPU usage, need for large RAM, D. disk usage. Virtual memory that reduces the need of large RAM is the correct answer. The last question, virtual memory increases A. cost of hardware, B. CPU speed, C. memory utilization, D. power consumption. The virtual memory increases primarily memory utilization. C is the correct answer. This is the last question. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.